Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving into a luxurious skincare product that's garnered plenty of attention, the cream from Augustinus Bader. If you're into high-end skincare or simply curious about the buzz, stick around as we break it down. The cream is a lightweight moisturizer designed to hydrate, repair, and renew your skin. What sets this product apart is its proprietary TFC8 complex, a blend of natural amino acids, vitamins, and synthesized molecules that are naturally found in the skin. This complex works to deliver essential nutrients directly to the skin cells, boosting your skin's natural repair process. The 100 milliliter bottle targets adults looking for a high-performance skincare solution. When I first tried the cream, I was impressed with how effortlessly it absorbed into my skin. It doesn't leave any greasy residue, making it perfect for both day and night use. The texture is light but nourishing, and I could immediately feel my skin softening. For testing, I applied it both on its own and layered it with other products in my routine. The results were consistently smooth, glowing skin with a noticeable reduction in dryness and fine lines after a few days of use. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the most notable strength of the cream is its formulation. The TFC8 complex truly sets it apart from many other moisturizers. The hydration it provides is impressive without feeling heavy, making it suitable for a wide range of skin types. Additionally, the texture is silky, and the product absorbs quickly. However, on the downside, the price tag may be a barrier for some. It's definitely positioned as a premium product, and while the results are noticeable, they may not justify the cost for everyone, especially those on a tighter budget. In terms of value for money, the cream is undeniably high-end. The ingredients are cutting-edge and the formula is highly effective. But it's important to keep in mind that you're paying a premium for the science behind the product and its luxurious experience. Is it worth the splurge? That depends on your skincare priorities. When comparing it to other high-end moisturizers, such as those from La Mer or Dr. Dennis Gross, the cream stands out due to its unique TFC8 technology. While other brands might offer similar hydration and anti-aging benefits, Augustinus Bader's approach with TFC8 is designed to directly support your skin's natural processes, which could potentially provide longer-term benefits. The build quality of the packaging is sleek and premium, matching the luxurious price point. As for the longevity of the product, I didn't experience any issues in the short term. But as with all high-end skincare, the true effects on skin over time require long-term use and testing, which can vary from person to person. Customer support with Augustinus Bader is reported to be efficient, although I haven't personally needed to reach out. The brand is well regarded for its responsive customer service, so if you run into any issues, you can likely expect a prompt resolution. If you're on the hunt for a similar moisturizer at a more affordable price point, there are plenty of options. Consider looking into products like CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream or Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel for effective hydration without breaking the bank. To wrap up, the cream by Augustinus Bader is a fantastic product for anyone seeking a highly effective, luxurious moisturizer. While the price might not be for everyone, its advanced formula delivers excellent results, especially for those looking for more than just hydration. If you're willing to invest in skincare that uses cutting-edge technology, this could be a great addition to your routine. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other skincare enthusiasts can discover this review too. Thank you for watching, and if you've already tried the cream or have questions about it, drop your thoughts in the comments below. The link to grab it is in the description. Until next time, stay glowing with Beautyistic.